In this video, we're going to be talking about fractions of number lines. So in the last video, we looked at sort of your basic fractions as we see them. Often it's a circle cut into pieces, or a square, or a rectangle, or even pieces of a set. Another way we can look at fractions that we do quite a bit in grades 6 and 7, as it makes it easier to see equivalency, is with number lines. So we see here our 0 and our 1, that is our whole. In the whole, we see it's been broken up into 3 pieces, and one of the pieces has been colored in. So the example says, what is the length of the colored segment? Well, out of 3 pieces, so I'm just going to write with a slash as it asks us to, one of them is colored in. So this number line represents 1/3. 3 pieces in whole, 1 colored in. Down here, which number line shows a colored segment with a length of 1/4? Now we see the lines have been split, so from 0 to 1, the whole has been split into different numbers of sections. It wants us to find the ones that have been split into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one has been split into quarters. And yes, 1/4 has been colored in. So I am going to say this one. There might be more than one though. So let's see, this one's been split into 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. And one is colored in. So yep, that second one as well. But I believe this third one here has been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal sections. That's something I didn't really stress in the last part, but I should have. In a fraction, the whole is always split into equal sections. So you can't have, like, for example, whenever we see a circle split into quarters, it's always like this. You'd never split it this way because this bit is going to be smaller than this bit. So same thing in the line. We see this whole has been split into 5 equal pieces, but that doesn't work for what we're looking for there. So just these two. 2 last examples here. So this one, which number line shows a colored segment with a length of 5/6? So which whole has been split into 6? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, that's been split into 7ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's been split into 6ths. And 5 are colored in. I agree. So we can circle that guy. Yep. And what about this last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it's in 6ths. And 5 are colored in. So these 2 bottom ones fulfill what it's asking of us. On this last example, it says, what is the length of the colored segment? Okay, so there's a couple ways you could write this actually. It is 1 whole, but I think they want us to write it as a fraction. Use a slash to write your answer as a fraction. The denominator should match what you see in the model. So remember, the denominator is the number on the bottom. I always think of D as down. So there is 2 parts in this whole. So I'm going to put 2 as my bottom. If I was writing it probably like that, but because we're typing, it's sort of on an angle like this. And how many are colored in? 2 of them. 2 out of 2. Keep in mind, 2 pieces colored in out of 2 equals 1 whole, but I'm quite sure they want you to write it like that. This is like the simplified version. Okay, that's it. Good luck.